If Canva is giving you an error while saving, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to designing without losing your work. This is a very common issue, and most of the time it comes down to a slow internet connection, a temporary page glitch, a network problem, or cached browser data causing Canva to behave strangely. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it and fix the problem fast. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is check your internet speed. Canva relies on a stable connection, so if your connection is weak or unstable, the save process may fail. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a quick internet speed test. If your connection is unusually slow, try waiting a moment or moving to a stronger network before trying again. If your internet looks fine, the next step is to refresh the Canva page. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary loading problem and a simple refresh can reconnect everything properly. After refreshing, try saving your design again and see if the error is gone. If that still doesn't work, switch your network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try using a mobile hotspot, or if you're on a hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. This can help if your current network has a temporary routing problem or is blocking part of Canva's connection. A quick network change often fixes saving issues immediately. Now, if the problem continues, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache. If you're using Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right, go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. Clearing cached files can remove corrupted data that may be preventing Canva from saving correctly. Once the cache is cleared, reopen Canva, sign back in if needed, and test the save button again. Another important thing to remember is that Canva sometimes has an autosave delay. That means if you make several edits quickly, the platform may need a few extra seconds to sync everything in the background. So if the save error appears, pause for a moment and give it a little time before trying again. In many cases, waiting just a few seconds is enough for Canva to finish syncing and save your changes properly. If you've gone through all of these steps and Canva still won't save, repeat the process in order one more time because sometimes the issue is temporary and clears itself after reconnecting or refreshing. The main fixes are checking your internet speed, refreshing the page, switching networks, clearing your browser cache, and allowing time for autosave to catch up. Those steps solve most Canva saving errors without needing anything more advanced. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.